In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Ticketmaster loading and access issues before trying again. If Ticketmaster is freezing, failing to load properly, or sending you into repeated errors, the first thing to do is simplify your setup. Start by disabling all browser extensions, especially anything like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or auto refresh extensions. These add-ons can interfere with how Ticketmaster loads pages, verifies your session, or processes requests in the background. Even if an extension usually seems harmless, it can still cause conflicts during high demand traffic. Turn them all off temporarily so your browser is as clean and basic as possible before you try again. Next, disconnect from any public Wi-Fi network or from a VPN if you're using one. Shared networks, such as those in cafes, schools, offices, or airports, can sometimes create issues because many users are routed through the same connection. That can make a website treat traffic as unusual or unreliable. VPNs can also trigger extra security checks or cause region and verification problems. For the best chance of a stable connection, switch away from those network types and use a more direct internet connection instead. After that, clear your browser history, cookies, and cache completely. This step helps remove outdated session data, corrupted files, and saved website information that may be causing Ticketmaster to behave incorrectly. Be sure to clear everything thoroughly, not just the recent browsing data if possible, so you fully reset how the site loads. Once that's done, close the browser and reopen it before trying again. That extra restart helps make sure the changes take effect properly. Finally, if the issue still continues, switch to your smartphone's cellular data and use the Ticketmaster app instead of the browser. This is often one of the most effective workarounds because it changes both the device environment and the network connection at the same time. Cellular data can avoid some of the routing problems that happen on shared or restricted networks, and the app may handle login and queue behavior more smoothly than a desktop browser. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned off so the phone is truly using mobile data, then open the Ticketmaster app and try again from there. Take your time with each of these steps and don't skip around because small connection or browser conflicts can make a big difference. If you follow this process carefully, you give yourself the best possible chance